high above the Amazon rainforest. Beyond the forests, the rivers, and the breath of the earth, there rises a place that feels untouched by time. A place where clouds curl like drifting memories. Where sunlight falls on stone older than the continents themselves. Where the world feels softer, quieter, and impossibly ancient. This is Mount Roraima, the floating mountain. The plateau that inspired legends, myths, and even the idea of a forgotten world. And today, you and I, we are going there. To the summit above the sky. To the edge of the Earth's oldest dreams. Mount Roraima sits quietly between Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Yet it feels as if it belongs to another universe. Its walls rise straight into the air, kilometers of vertical stone. Like the sides of a sacred fortress carved by the gods. For the indigenous Pemon people, Roraima was never just a mountain. It was the stump of the world tree, a tree so gigantic it connected sky, earth, and spirit. When it fell, they say, the world changed forever. And what remained was the flat top of Mount Roraima. A lonely fragment of a world that existed before time. Reaching Roraima is not a climb, it is a pilgrimage. You walk through rivers that feel like liquid glass. Through valleys where fog moves like living silk. Through forests humming with unseen life. Every step feels like walking toward a secret that the earth has been keeping for billions of years. And then you see it. A mountain so high and so flat that it seems to rest on the sky itself. At sunrise, the cliffs glow a deep pink. And mist rolls around them like a dream waking slowly. It doesn't feel like nature, it feels like a memory, something ancient, something waiting. At the very top of Mount Roraima, everything changes. The air becomes still, the colors shift, and silence takes on a new meaning. You are standing on a landscape older than life on Earth. The rocks here are 2 billion years old, among the oldest exposed surfaces on the planet. Pools of crystal water sit in natural stone bowls, reflecting the sky like forgotten mirrors. Strange plants lean toward you, species found nowhere else on Earth. Carnivorous flowers. Black moss that glows in the rain. Creatures adapted to life on a world in the clouds. Up here, you understand why explorers once believed that dinosaurs could still roam this plateau. And as the clouds drift below your feet, you almost believe it too. Mount Roraima is a puzzle of nature. A tabletop mountain, a tepui formed when ancient supercontinents split apart. It has its own climate, its own weather, its own ecosystem. Rain doesn't fall here, it arrives, carried by clouds that slide across the plateau like silent travelers. Water gathers into tiny rivers that spill off the edges. As waterfalls that disappear into endless mist. Some call Roraima a natural wonder. But many who stand here say it feels more like a living thing, a breathing, dreaming giant in the mist. And maybe that's why scientists and storytellers both agree on one thing. There is no other place like this on Earth. Indigenous stories say that the spirits of the sky still guard this mountain. Some travelers report hearing whispers in the fog at night. Others say they've seen lights float across the plateau when the moon is hidden. There are stories of explorers who climbed Roraima and came down changed, quiet, thoughtful, as if they carried a secret they couldn't explain. And maybe that is the true mystery. Not what lives here, but what this place awakens inside the people who reach it. At the far end of the summit is a cliff called La Ventana, the window. Stand here, and the world below looks like an ocean of endless green. Forests stretching to the horizon like ripples on water. Clouds rush past your feet as if the earth is breathing beneath you. In this moment, you don't feel small, you feel connected to time, to memory, to the planet itself. Mount Roraima is not a destination, it is an encounter. A meeting with a world that refuses to be forgotten. As you descend the mountain and step back into the rainforest, the air feels different, warmer, louder, more alive. But something of Roraima stays with you. A feeling that somewhere above the clouds, the world still keeps its oldest secrets. And if you listen closely, you can still hear the silence of that ancient plateau calling you back. This was episode 5, Mount Roraima, a world above the world. And in the next journey, we travel deeper into the unknown.